In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find synthetic indices from Deriv on TradingView. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to tradingview.com. You can do this with or without an account, and the process is the same. The goal is to get to a clean chart where we can search for the right tools and bring synthetic data into view. Once the site loads, look for the symbol area on the right side of the screen and click it. This panel is where TradingView lets you explore markets and tickers. Opening it helps you quickly switch from the default view into a proper charting workspace. If a small preview chart appears, that's normal. Next, click Full Chart. This opens TradingView's full-featured charting layout, which gives you access to the toolbar, indicators, and the search tools we need. You'll see the main price chart in the center, with menus and toolbars around it, including the indicators button we're about to use. At the top left of the chart, click Indicators. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Indicators and Strategies. This opens a searchable window with built-in studies, community scripts, and other tools. This is where we'll find what we need. In the search bar inside the indicators window, type the word synthetic. Typing this filters the list to anything that matches synthetic, which is the quickest way to surface relevant tools. You should now see results that include items labeled with synthetic. These come from TradingView's libraries and can help you visualize synthetic market behavior within the platform. When you see synthetic appear in the results, click it. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart. You'll notice the chart update, often with an overlay or additional panel, depending on the specific script's design. If the first item you click isn't the one you want, you can simply remove it from the chart and choose a different result from the same list until you find the best fit for your analysis. That's the full process. Go to TradingView, open the symbol area, switch to the full chart, open indicators, type synthetic, and click the synthetic result to load it. From here, you can analyze the chart, just like any other market, using your preferred timeframes and tools. Keep in mind that naming and availability can vary by region and by the creators who publish these tools, so always review the description within the indicator window to understand what data it uses and how it's meant to be applied. Thanks for watching, and follow these steps whenever you need to locate synthetic indices from Deriv on TradingView quickly and confidently.